What's up YouTube? My name's Wes Van Heest. That's my E34 and today we're going to install a pretty cool OEM Plus head unit. It's been modified by a guy overseas so that the AM radio part is a Bluetooth transmitter now. I'm excited to get back to stock looking head unit. I've got an Alpine in there right now. I think long term I'm going to take that out and put it in the Z3, but for right now let's focus on pulling that out, checking the connectors, making sure everything's going to pop right in and work as it should. I'm excited for this one. Let's go. So you can see in here, we got the Alpine unit. It's not bad necessarily, just isn't the best. See, it lights up blue. We don't really love that. We'll go to source. Now it does a USB front, which is great. And I just plug in the black cable right there. Keep it hidden in there. But anyway, I think going back to a more OEM looking head unit is going to be a nice touch. Don't mind any of that. Maybe it's a little messy. This is the important part. It's my package from, where is this from? Estonia. This is recommended to me by a friend I met at the Vintage. Shout out Joe. Thank you, buddy. And his was a smooth, seamless install. It looked awesome in the car. So what, you know, I mean, just maybe I copied him. Maybe I've been thinking about doing this for a while. Either way, I'm excited to dig in. A knife might be a better idea, but we're at Mom's house and I don't know. This is what I got in the trunk. Okay, first bit worth mentioning. This is the microphone and he's 3D printed. I don't know if you can see that. There it is. He's 3D printed this, so it's actually gonna fit right next to the fog light switch, which is awesome. Oh yeah. Nice. It's included the sleeve as well. Beautiful. And a radio pass. I'll put the link to this guy's eBay store in the video. Alright, let's go check out taking out the other one. In a cruel twist of fate, it's starting to rain. Not ideal, and the only chance I have to do this in the outdoor location, that is my mom's house. Whatever. It's gonna be hot in the car anyway because I don't have functional AC. That's next on the docket. Remember this cool little 90s feature? Remember this? Parents would be like, take off the head unit, it's gonna get stolen. I need a screwdriver here. Alright, probably did that the wrong way, but I got it. Oh yeah, see this was never gonna reach, too far back there. But, that's good, that means this is out now. Old one out. Hey. So there's my intermediary harness I made when I was, I don't know, 22, 23. Let's see. So that's gonna go back there. Oh yeah, so easy. Oh, unbelievably easy. Don't tell me. to right, probably top to bottom. Okay. Oh, press fit dreams. Just threw in the microphone. Look at that. There was just a delete switch there. Oh, that's incredible. Such a nice OEM fitment. That's 3D printed, and I don't know if you can tell in the video. The finish matches perfectly. So yeah, that's modeled after an OEM option in maybe the 7 Series or cars with a car phone. Not 100% sure, but it looks great. All right, back to the radio. Yes, clicked. All right, now let's see how cooperative this all wants to be going back in. Oh no! Oh, you guys didn't warn me. You saw me doing this mistake the whole time. All right, no problem. Oh wow, guys. Holy crap. Is it that easy? Oh my goodness. Okay, well, barring any unfortunate mishaps or wrongdoings, I think I got it in. So we can see BMW Reverse RDS. Got the microphone up here. This is gonna be test number 1. We're watching it live. Where did I put my keys? They're over here. Tell they're the E34 keys because they got the smiley on the key ring. Details. All right, live action. Let's see what we got. Now, turn on. Hold on. How do you turn this thing on? Oh, there it is. Code. Code. 6. Then it says, press the right arrow button. Boom. Okay. All right. Now let's see if we can pair this to the phone. Oh, look at that. There's the secret. The ultimate driving machine. And then it's gonna land, it's gonna stay on Bluetooth audio, BT audio. All right, so we go into here, Bluetooth. Oh wow, that was so unbelievably easy. Look how good it looks. Oh, wow, I'm so happy. I've never done anything on my car that was that easy. We gotta do a good bob. We gotta do a real good bob. Yeah, a little Del the Funky Homo Sapien.
Yeah, man, he my cousin, man. You know, I be trying to have him do like some gangster shit. You know?
Oh, guys, girls, ladies, gentlemen, this is the best. I am so happy. I can highly recommend this product. Incredibly easy OEM install. Even the microphone, that was something I was mildly worried about. Incredibly easy. So I'm gonna let the sounds of Del the Funky Homo Sapiens lead us into the next montage.
Many that try to eat plenty. Now I gotta flip on a copper like a penny. Vice versa.